What's going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and this video is without the camera because I'm currently moving to a new apartment. I don't have my camera and my green screen and my light set up, so that's why I'm doing this only with a voiceover. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing because let's say that your YouTube channel is not accepted in the YouTube partner program yet, so you're not making money off it yet. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how affiliate marketing works and how to earn money from it and how to earn, a few extra tens or maybe $100 a month, who knows. That all depends on how much dedication you're going to put into it. So if you're excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below, and I would say let's get started right after the intro. Alright guys, so for everybody that is new to affiliate marketing and they don't know what it is and how it works, it is basically you're making money because people are buying products because of you. So let's say, I'm just going to give an example of what I do. Let's say that I make a video about my green screen. Well, what I can do is tell in the video like, guys, if you want to pick up this green screen for under $50, make sure to check the link in the description, and then you can go straight to Amazon and buy that green screen. So I can just put down an affiliate link in the description. If people click on it and they buy the green screen, I get a commission because people bought that green screen on Amazon through me. And I have 3 really great opportunities to join the affiliate program. So let's move on to the first opportunity. Alright, so the first opportunity is the free training how to earn a 6-figure side income online by this trainer called John. So if you would like to go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing, you can just try this free training, as you can see right here. If you just go to the link in the description and you can just sign up for the free training, and if you hit on that button, as you can see right now, you can just fill in your date, for example, Tuesday, 7th of May, and then you can also pick the time slot, your time zone, your first name, your email, and then you can just agree to the GDPR terms and conditions, and yes, I would like to receive future communications. Then you can just go ahead and hit register now, and then you can just go ahead and start this training that's given by John, who's going to teach you how to earn a 6-figure side income online. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I think the majority of us and the most of us have also Googled in the past like how to make money online, and they ended up learning nothing and thinking it's just not possible to earn money online without like doing really that much. But guys, trust me, go click on the link in the description and sign up for this training. You will not regret it. It's currently free, so make sure you hurry and get that training because that's a really great opportunity to make money online, and it's definitely a program worth checking out. So moving on to the next opportunity to create money online is the following. We all have heard of Amazon. It's probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest, online platform where you can buy all kinds of stuff. So obviously they also have a affiliate program which is called Amazon Associates, and it is really simple to just go ahead and join, advertise, and earn. And that's what I do as well. And believe it or not, before I started recording this video, I had to go to the bank in my local town, cash out the check that I received from Amazon. So this is legit. You don't need to have there's no threshold for, I don't know, like certain amount of followers or anything like that. First thing what you want to do is click the link in the description, make sure you open up another tab so you don't lose this video. And then you just want to click on join now. So then what you want to do is just create an account. It's real simple, log in, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. So now I'm logged in. I have to blur a couple of details, but this is basically what you will get to see when you logged in. So right here at the bottom, it is blurry, but you guys will know why, because here it will say like the item shipped, the total earnings, total ordered items, your clicks, your conversion, anything like that. So to get started, it's really simple. Go to product linking, and then you can just click on product links, and then you can look up the product that you want to promote. So let's say that you made a video about your new camera, for example, the Canon 80D. What you want to do is type in Canon 80D, then you want to click on go, and right now it's going to look up the camera on Amazon, and you will get your link from there, and then you can promote it. Right here we have the Canon digital SLR camera body, the EOS 80D. This is just the body without a lens, and that's the price, $899. So what you want to do then is get link, and then it will automatically copy that to your clipboard, or you can just click on there and you can create text and image. But what you can do is text only, and then you can just, for example, click on short link, so you only only get this one. And if people click on that link and they buy the camera, you will get a percentage of the price that they pay. People that are buying because of you don't need to pay extra because it's an affiliate link. You will only get between 2 and 8% to 10% out of the amount they spent. So let's say they buy the camera and the camera costs $899. What you can do, for example, is Google 10% of $899 is you will get $89.90 because when someone buys that camera because of you. But it's not really always the case that it's 10%. Maybe it can even be 4%. So if you Google that, 4% of $899, if somebody buys that camera, you will get $35 in commission. So that's how it works, and this is how it works for each and every product you can find on Amazon. It doesn't have to be the product that you're linking to. Let's say that they, click on the camera link, you can still get commissions if they buy something else. So let's say if you have a link to a $10 product, you're not going to get a lot of commission, but sometimes people don't have to buy the specific product, so you can still make money if people walk away ending up buying thousands of dollars of gear. It doesn't have to be that product specifically, but you guys know how it works, and this is basically how you get your affiliate links through Amazon. So let's move on to the last opportunity where you can make money, which is the following. Okay, so everybody has heard of eBay, and obviously they also have an affiliate program. So if you go ahead and Google, for example, eBay Associates or eBay Affiliate, you will end up landing on the partner network or become an eBay affiliate. So what you can do is go ahead and click on apply now on the top right, and then you can just simply fill out the form, fill in your name, email address, everything like that, and create a free account. You can log in with Google, with Facebook, or you can just create an account with your email address. But guys, I'm not going to walk you guys through the entire eBay platform because it works exactly the same as Amazon. You just want to look up the product on eBay on your dashboard, get the link, shorten it, and then you can just share it anywhere online. If it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere, if people buy products because of your link, you will get a commission for that. So guys, these are basically 3 free options you can use in order to make money online using the affiliate marketing program. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the links are in the description. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.